Hello, my name is Brent McCall, and I am a part of the product development and technical support team here at Metra Home Theater Group. Today I'm introducing you to the Velox analog stereo cables. The Velox analog stereo cables were actually designed for a true high-fidelity system. These use our exclusive compression ferrule on the coax cable to minimize RF input at the terminal, and we also have built into this our compression ferrule insert. This allows for a very snug fit to the female RCA terminals without physically digging in and causing any damage. This is a great way to get the most out of a true high-fidelity two-channel system or multi-channel system with several pairs.